Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing, man? What's your name and what all you got in here?
My name is Wesley.
Alright.
It's two Sundown SA15s on Sundown 2000. And I got 2 8s in each door, 4-inch tweeter, and then 2 8s in the back deck, and 3.5 tweeters.
Okay. Ooh, nice. That looks good. And I like this. It's pretty cool. At nighttime.
Yeah.
Have you metered it yet? You haven't. Okay. Do you have what size alternator?
Just stock.
Stock alternator. All right.
Got excess power.
Excess power in the back. Yes, sir. All right. What's your name?
Wesley.
Wesley. All right. Oh, you're good, man. I like the doors too.
I got them all done the same place he did them.
Okay. Nice. Looks good. Yes, sir.
You wanna see the back?
Yeah, I would love to see the back, man. Thanks for the demo, man. What vehicle is this?
2007 Impala.
2007 Impala. Okay. Wow, this looks clean. Nice. That is nice, man. Nice and clean. Is your box moving a little?
Yeah.
I've seen some people put little L brackets on the edge or something. Little back battery. That looks great. I like to see details, sorry. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.